Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, the new Black Quantum VTF for T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up, and Rocktober does not disappoint as far as trading. Starting off with some nice stuff, nice clean stuff, and that's what we want. So basically it started off like this, right? We started off the month, and on Monday we got our first signal that we might be coming into something with the small cappers doing this. IWM on Monday. Here, outside day, right? Outside day, 3-2 to the downside, and the reason that was important is it was the initial right out the chute, inside month down, 2-1-2 reversal, one of the only three reversals that can possibly happen. So I already knew that was going on, right? And then we got to Wednesday, and we got this. It was perfect. We got perfect. QQQ, inside day, boom. 2 more days of straight down. That was great because the SPY did this. Here, inside day, attempt the upside, all right? And this is just like a turnaround Tuesday, except on a Wednesday. It's like inside day, attempt to break the equilibrium. This is a scenario rev strat, 1-2-2, come back through here, and we were lucky we got it to hit them a little bit harder. So that was real nice stuff. And then once you see like this, you're going to see. Do I tell you things trading broadening formations? I think I pretty much do. I've been doing here for 8 years. But maybe time you listen if you haven't. And here's your QQQ. Higher high, lower low, higher high, lower, boom. Take them all out in one shot. Triangle gets bigger. Off the inside day, you're going to see that like an IBB. IBB, real nice. Boom. Higher high, lower low, higher high. Where are we going? We're going to take them out. Down and there. Now, we'll see if they exhaust, because then we can go into the stocks. And just like I talk about in my nightly video, Amazon is perfect. 2 up, and then here we come into the new month. 2-2 reversal. 2 continuation, 2 continuation, 2 continuation. Takes that low out. There's your triangle. Boom, 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 boom. And then as it goes down in here, you look for a reclaim of this. Use the 3-2 reversal. Here, outside bar on the 30. And there you go. There's an outside bar 3-2 up. That turned it into a 60. Now you can reverse and go the other way. See how fun that is? Real good stuff. And then there's some things that, didn't get really hit. Crude oil. Crude oil had a nice spiker up here and just staying up here, but you got like XLE and stuff like that, really unfazed by any sell-off at all here. And stuff like Concho today even goes inside day and up. So we still got that going for us. And if you like to buy things, all you have to do is keep up your screen and look at the major sectors. Because today all you had to do is go utilities, bam, right? It's straight up all day, and that gave you the weekly hammer upper 2-2 reversal, and you can get your dominions or whatever you want to get, and all that kind of stuff was real easy and stand out. And the other thing I talk about to relax your trading is to watch my gap list in the morning at Robin the Black. I tweeted out this morning. I put out 4 of them, and one of them was Costco. And if you just watch 30s and 60s, you can see how simple you can make trading to be. Here you go. Costco down inside 60. Boom, inside 60 down, and that takes that out below 223.05, and you get there. You go 18. There's $5 down to the lows, and then even right now, if you're just covering right now, you get $4 out of that. That's not bad. It's especially because it's on a Friday, so you can use the cheapo option expirations to go after options. Especially you want to do that on a Friday. So remember that. So for next week, what we got here, and a lot of people like to go, "Ooh, it's the end of the world," blah blah blah. You got your outside weaker in the SPY. But as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks sideways. We just got a range expansion on both sides, and everybody freaks out when that happens. Let's go look at QQQ. Now you got an outside bar here, and you can see this is all of this stuff still. So now we got to figure out, how do we get out of this? Do we go inside weak again? Do we continue? And we'll to see the follow through if they're really going to hit them. So for the monthlies, you got that IWM, all right? And the QQQ does this. QQQ goes outside month here, right? So that's important to see if we can get out of that. And what I mean by that, do you stay below last month's lows, or do you come back into it and go back into the broadening formations like so? So on Monday, how do we get out of this bar? We're going to go inside day on Monday, and then what's the next 2 on that? That's how you follow the sequence of what's going on. Outside of that, like I said, the Q's Wednesday is perfect, well telegraphed once you know what to look for. The inside day and down and everything was just getting cremated. All the 2s and all, it's called a simultaneous break. It was sector specific to the TAC, but anything inside day or 3-2 down or anything going in there was just Real easy stuff. And so hopefully you're picking up on that. Hopefully, anyway, I hope you had a good week to start off October. I know we did. And hope you learned some stuff when I do come up here. And feel free to join me during the day. Also, join me during the day Monday through Thursday on Facebook at 12:30 Eastern for the halftime show. And I tell you exactly what we're looking at coming into the rest of the day, as well as on Tuesdays, 1 hour after the close. I come on the T3 YouTube 1 hour after the close and tell you the weeklies and stuff that are in force. Will help you pick up on all this stuff. All right, hope everybody had a great week and has an even better weekend. I'm Rob Smith in the Black Planet VTF here, T3 Live with this week's market wrap-up.